Hi and welcome to today's video by Study Unifees. Today we'll be talking about an increasingly popular destination with international students, not just in India and South Asia but globally. Today's video is about studying in Ireland and particularly about studying in Dublin. Dublin is a hub for not just education but culture and art too, and a great choice for international students. Today we will understand why it is such a great choice for you as a potential international student. So first, a little bit of information about Dublin. Dublin is the capital of the Republic of Ireland and also its largest city. The population of Dublin and its suburbs is about 1.3 million, which for a city in Ireland is truly a huge population. The weather too in Dublin is quite suitable for international students from India and South Asia. During the summer months, expect temperatures between 11 and 20 degrees Celsius. However, during the winter months, it's slightly colder. Expect temperatures between 2 degrees and 10 degrees Celsius. Dublin is quite a densely populated area. Every square kilometer in Dublin has an average of 5,000 people living in it. The ethnic Irish make up the majority of the population, with 80% of all people in Dublin of Irish descent. Asians, however, make up a substantial and growing portion of the population. In 2020, 5.8% of all Dublin residents were of Asian origin. People of African descent too are a growing demographic, and in 2020, 2.2% of the population of Dublin was of African descent. Dublin is renowned for several things, not the least among which is its transportation system. It is a very cycling-friendly system. Cycling is a healthy and cheap option to get around in Dublin. Most of the main roads, avenues, and even side roads have separate cycling paths, so it is not just cheap, it is also quite safe. The rail system is highly developed in Dublin, connecting Dublin to all major centres in Ireland. Public buses too are very common in Dublin and also quite economic. Taxicabs, especially when you're in a hurry, are also a great option. Dublin has a total of 4 universities. There are also plenty of options as far as private and public colleges, technical colleges, and other kinds of institutions are concerned. Study Unifees will offer you plenty of options in Dublin. Now let's look at the cost of living in Dublin. Room rent, comparatively speaking, is a lot cheaper than the major urban centres in the UK or even continental Europe. A room is easily available and expenses for monthly rent start from €400. Internet is at par with internet availability in the UK and Europe. Expect to spend $40 to $45 a month on your internet connection. Food too is relatively cheaper. You will not spend more than €200 every month on groceries. Transportation too is very reasonably priced. For a monthly pass to the public bus system, you will pay about €100 to €140 per month. However, single rides are quite expensive. A single ride will cost you €2.5 to €3. The best thing about Dublin is the reasonable costs of tuition. Study Unifees offers you plenty of options between Indian rupees 9 lakhs to 13 lakhs per year tuition. The visa process, as compared to other European nations and also the US, Canada, Australia, or New Zealand, is much easier and also quite fair. Turnaround times too are relatively fast. Most students get a visa decision within 6 to 7 weeks. The very maximum to get your visa decision is about 8 weeks. Thanks for watching this video. For more insightful videos about various study destinations around the world, like, share and subscribe. To get your IELTS or your study in Ireland plans on track, book a free consultation on www.studyunifees.io.